This simple robot insect follows the light. You just need 10 minutes to make it. Hello and welcome to this DIY electronics tutorial. Today we are going to build a light following robot insect. This project is perfect for beginners and DIY lovers who want to learn about electronics and robotics. Before we start building, let's take a look at the components we'll need for this project. We need LM358 comparator IC. Then we need two LDR sensors, two small vibration motors, two BC547 transistors, two toothbrush head, a 3.7 volt lithium battery, some jumper wires, and a small breadboard. Now that we have all our components, let's start building the circuit. First, we'll place the LM358 IC on the middle of the breadboard, connecting IC pin 8 to the first column of the upper right side, which will be used as a positive source, and the IC pin 4 to the first column of the lower right side, which will be used as a ground. We will connect IC pin 3 to pin 6 and then pin 2 to pin 5. Now connect the LDR sensors to the LM358 comparator IC. The LDRs will detect light intensity and send a signal to the comparator. One leg of the right LDR will connect to positive voltage and other leg to the IC pin 6. For the left LDR, one leg to IC pin 2 and other leg to positive voltage. Outputs of LM358 comparator will be from pin 7 and pin 1. To complete the voltage divider, connecting ground with both LDRs. Now we need two pieces of toothbrush heads. Then we need a 3.7 volt lithium battery and two vibration motors. We will fix the brush heads and the battery to the back adhesive of the breadboard like this way. After that, we will fix two vibrator motors just beside the brushes. So when the left motor will vibrate, the insect will turn right. And when the right motor will vibrate, the insect will turn left. First time I connected vibrator motors directly to the output from the comparator IC. Then tested, but the motors were not working. After that, I again tested with LEDs and realized that the circuit is working, but the motors are not getting enough power to run. So I have taken two BC54 transistors. We'll connect the small vibration motors to the BC547 transistors. The transistor will act as a switches, amplifying the output from the comparator IC to drive the motors. Connected outputs from the IC to the base of the transistors. Then connected positive power to the collectors and motors with the emitters. Now that our robot is assembled, let's test it out. I'm using mobile torch as a source of light. And that's it. We have successfully built a light following robots insect. This project demonstrates the basic of electronics and robotics, and it's a great starting point for more complex project. I hope you could make it looks more interesting with 3D printing. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY electronics tutorial and projects.